How can some cell phone plans be so much cheaper than others? For example, how can Visible Base cost so much less than Verizon Unlimited Welcome? Here's what you need to know. In the United States, there are three big mobile network operators: AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. They spend billions of dollars per year building or leasing cell towers, purchasing spectrum licenses, and developing their network infrastructure to keep us all connected. To make up these costs and run a profitable business, they charge expensive rates for their cell phone plans, ranging from $50 to $100 per month for a single line. It turns out not everyone can afford these high prices or has the credit score required to sign up for the postpaid service. So, to make extra money, the mobile network operators, or MNOs, sell access to their networks to smaller carriers. These smaller carriers are known as mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs, because instead of building their own cellular networks, they operate virtually on the existing networks. The MVNOs purchase minutes, texts, and data allotments at wholesale rates from the MNOs, and then they package up those allotments into more affordable plans that appeal to different demographics of consumers. The MVNOs also use other cost-cutting strategies to pass on savings to consumers. They typically operate online only, sell plans with set amounts of high-speed data, offer plans in bulk 3, 6, or 12-month packages, and they make strategic advertising investments. That's how you end up with plans such as US Mobile's $15 10 gig annual plan, which is a great value for consumers and is available on either Verizon or T-Mobile for coverage. The mobile network operators also own some prepaid carriers directly. AT&T owns Cricket, T-Mobile owns Metro by T-Mobile and now Mint Mobile, and Verizon owns Visible, and also a whole host of other brands they acquired from TracFone. What's going on there? These carriers are known as flanker carriers, and it's the same concept as a flanker brand. A flanker brand is when a larger company creates or acquires a new brand to target a different market segment. The new brand will have its own image and reputation, as well as different marketing strategies, different price points, and possibly even slightly different feature sets to best target its new market segment. A great example of this is Procter & Gamble. They own a variety of hair care brands that target different consumers. Pantene targets women, Old Spice targets men, My Black is Beautiful is made for women of color, Herbal Essences is for people who want all natural and cruelty-free products. You get the point. These brands all sell the same products, shampoo and conditioner, and they are all targeting the products towards different market segments. And that's exactly what the mobile network operators have done. They created flanker carriers that have different brands, different price points, and target different demographics of consumers. And that's why Visible is able to offer unlimited data for $25 while Verizon offers it for $65. It's because Visible isn't competing against Verizon. Instead, it's competing against Metro by T-Mobile and Cricket for the more price-conscientious consumers. Both of those carriers offer unlimited data at $25 per month, so it makes sense for Visible to offer unlimited data at $25 per month in order to better compete. And the more customers Verizon gets on its network, regardless of the price point, the more money it will make and the better off it will be as a business. That's how some carriers are able to offer more affordable plans and how you can get the same coverage while still saving money. Before you pick a cell phone plan, you may want to check which carrier has the best coverage in your area. To do that, you can use the free Coverage Map application available for both iPhone and Android. We made a free coverage search tool where you can enter any state, city, county, or zip code and instantly see the top-ranked carriers in your specific area. We rank them by coverage, data speeds, and reliability. If you scroll down, you can even see a detailed breakdown of the great, good, poor, and no coverage zones on each of the carriers. And we have more coverage details so you can see the exact percentages. At the bottom of the page, we even include median download and upload speeds so you can compare what network performance will be like on each of the major networks. Additionally, there are some helpful maps to help compare coverage and data speeds. The signal strength map shows you what signal strength looks like on each of the different networks. T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon. Super easy to compare. Again, looking at great, good, poor, and no coverage zones. And we have our crowdsourced speed test map that shows you exactly what data speeds people are getting on each of the carriers in your specific area. You can toggle between them up top, or you can use the helpful best carrier view, which instantly colors the squares based on the carrier with the fastest speeds in that specific area. Download the Coverage Map app for free at the link in the video description. Please share this video with one friend if you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up below. I'm Stetson, and I hope that's helpful. See you next time.